Hello everyone, welcome to another video with the Maliky Academy. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn on your touchpad on a laptop, whether it's Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7. This trick is gonna work for all of them. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm trying to move the cursor or use the touchpad on my computer, which is a laptop, and it's not moving at all. How can I turn it on? It's just turned off right now. The first thing you need to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard. The keyboard is gonna work, so it's only the touchpad that's not working. So press the Windows button first and then search for touchpad. So TUCH touchpad. As you can see, the first one is touchpad settings. All you need to do is press enter on your keyboard and it will take you to the touchpad settings in here. As you can see, the cursor is already on the touchpad turn on and off button, but let's say you don't see the cursor and it's not in here. All you need to do is click the tab on your keyboard, so it will move you from one place to the other. As you can see, it's moving me from one menu to the other. Okay, so click again and then again touchpad, and as you can see now I am on the touchpad button where I can turn it on and turn it off. But once again I try to click, it's not gonna work. So how can I actually turn it on? So in order to do that, on your keyboard you just need to click the space bar. So you make sure that your focus when you hit the tab button, it's on the touchpad on and off button, and then you need to press the space bar on your keyboard. As you can see, it just turned on the touchpad. So this is how you can fix your problem on Windows 10, Windows 11 when the touchpad is actually turned off. Thank you. Please let me know if you have any question or if it didn't help, and I can come up with another solution for you to turn on the touchpad on your laptop. Good luck.